Welcome to my online lecture. I am Jem Arifur Rahman from Chemline Tutorial. Today's lecture is on the topics of SN1 reaction, that is unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Welcome to all viewers. SN1 reaction, unimolecular substitution reaction. Here is a unimolecular substitution reaction. Here tertiary butyl bromide is a reagent and tertiary butyl alcohol is an product. SN1 reaction details. When the rate of reaction of the nucleophilic substitution depends on the molar concentration of only one reactant, then that reaction is called unimolecular substitution reaction or SN1 reaction. Here, the SN1 reaction is a substitution reaction in organic chemistry. SN stands for nucleophilic substitution, and the one says that the rate determining step is unimolecular. Therefore, SN1 stands for substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. For example, formation of tertiary butyl alcohol by hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide follows SN1 reaction mechanism. Here, this is tertiary butyl bromide. The product is tertiary butyl alcohol and the nucleophile is sodium hydroxide, that is alkali. SN1 reaction mechanism. The SN1 reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction where the rate determining step is unimolecular. At first, the carbocation is formed from the removal of the leaving group. Then the carbocation is attacked by the nucleophile. Finally, the deprotonation of the protonated nucleophile takes place to give the required product. It is generally seen in the reaction of tertiary or secondary alkyl halide with the nucleophile, that is hydroxide ion. SN1 reaction mechanism. SN1 reaction is a two-step reaction. Step 1, formation of carbocation intermediate. The carbon bromide bond is polar, covalent bond. The cleavage of this bond allows the removal of leaving group, that is bromide ion. When the bromide ion leaves the tertiary butyl bromide, a carbocation intermediate is formed. This is the rate determining step of the SN1 reaction. Now the figure is here. We see the tertiary butyl bromide formed tertiary butyl cation, carbocation and bromide ion. This is slow step. Here leaving group is bromide ion and the intermediate is carbocation, that is tertiary butyl carbocation ion. Now step 2. Step 2 is formation of desired product. In the second step of SN1 reaction mechanism, the carbocation is attacked by the nucleophile. Since water is used as solvent, a oxonium ion is formed. Here the figure is formation of desired product. This is carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation. It is attacked by the hydroxide ion, that is nucleophile, and the product is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is first step. This step is fast. So the step 1 is the rate determining step. Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. The carbocation intermediate formed in the step 1 of SN1 reaction mechanism is sp2 hybridized and it is trigonal planar. The whole reaction rate depends on the cleavage of carbon-halogen bond, concentration of alkyl halide, and the stability of carbocation. The mode of reactivity of halide is 3-degree halide is first, then 2-degree halide, then 1-degree halide, and then methyl halide. That is the end of my lecture. Thanks all.